Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Home is Where Your Heart is All About. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video I'll be sharing few DIYs and the way I have redecorated my entry area. So come let's see the first DIY. For the first DIY, you have taken an old basket, white lace, will cut according to the size, cut two pieces of it. Apply Fevibond on the sides. First stick the lace on the top and then below that stick the second piece of lace. Now cut the excess lace. On the top corner we'll be applying Fevibond, leaving 1-inch gap. I've taken skin color pom-poms and will stick on the applied Fevibond. Allow it to dry. We'll place some artificial money plant creepers inside and now we'll fix it on the top of the glass painting. A simple DIY but gives an aesthetic look to the wall. For the second DIY, here I have taken a feather, trim the edges, take a light colored paper. We'll apply black acrylic colors on the feather, spread evenly all over. Place the feather on the center, press slightly and take it out, and keep the feather immediately on the other side, press it, take it out, and again the same process, will repeat it twice. For framing, place the black color chart paper below. Now place the printed paper and frame it. For the third DIY, you have taken an old glass frame, cleaned it well. With the help of 3D liners, we'll be drawing circles and then draw the stem and leaves. You can draw any design of your choice. Allow it to dry completely and then you can put in your favorite picture inside. For the fourth DIY, you have taken an old clay vase. We'll apply black color oil paint all over. Allow the paint to dry completely. Here I'll be using the 3D neon liners. Place dots one beside the other and complete it by using different colors, one above the other. In the center we'll place a big dot. Similarly, we complete the patterns all over the pot. Allow the paint to dry completely and then on the top we'll be applying some Fevibond all over and we'll place a multicolored thread. You can also use jute rope. Similarly below we'll be applying some Fevibond and then the multicolored thread. Cut the excess thread, allow it to dry completely, and here we have a beautiful vase ready which can be used as a flower vase or place it in the entrance to keep in your keys. Beside the main door I have placed a side table. On it I have kept the DIY flower vase, the photo frame and the vase with keys. Above is a glass painting, above that is the basket decor. Beside my shoe rack, I have placed these two DIY frames. I hope you have liked this video. This is the way I have decorated my entry area. Which is your favorite DIY in this video? Please leave in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.